Hi, if you want to grow your brand or you want to sell your product or service, I'm here to help you. In 2022, if you are not using social media for your business, then you are doing a big mistake and you are wasting a lot of money or losing your customers. So, as a social media marketing expert, I know the importance of social media marketing. My name is Ahmad Afzal. I am professional social media marketing expert and I can help you to sell your product or services through your social media channels and generate sales. I can help you by creating amazing and eye-catching contents in the form of images, graphics, and videos, and then share it to your social media channels, and then increase your followers and build your audience and turn your followers to your customers and generate sales for you. So I'm offering 15 days trials for my social media services to you, to your business. So if you want to avail this service, just reply to this email and start your social media journey today. So I guarantee you that I will increase your followers and sales in these 15 days. So quickly reply to this email and start your social media journey. Bye bye.